What's up, YouTubers? Jonny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a ceiling light. If you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of these household and automotive projects. Alright, so what I'm talking about is one of these flush mount LED. This one is made by Commercial Electric, but I know they make some from Hampton Bay and Yosemite, I think. And there's a variety of brands and styles, but it's all going to be the same installation. So the first thing we are going to do is find your circuit breaker, and we're going to flip off the power to that outlet. Okay, so here's the light, and it's all integrated in there, the LED light and everything. And here's the other bits that come with it: a few wire connectors, a couple screws, the mounting bracket, and the knob on the end. So the first thing we are going to do is we'll go ahead and assemble this. So this screws right into the top like this, oriented like that, and we'll screw it in a little bit, and then there's this lock nut at the end. We'll tighten that down so it won't back off. So now it should look like that. Okay, so now we'll take all these up to our light fixture. Alright, so I've already gone ahead and taken down the old fixtures, just a couple screws. Go ahead and get one of these. This is a voltage tester, only costs about 10 bucks. Put some links in the description to the tools I use. We're going to make sure that none of these wires are hot. They don't have any power, so you just hold it against the wire. So now we know we're not going to get electrocuted. Alright, now let's put this piece up. It's going to go up just like this, and those little slats are going to line up with the two mounting holes. Alright, so we'll just screw them both down good and tight on each side. Make sure that the bracket is centered in between the two. Alright, with the bracket all tightened up, now we can go ahead and get to the light fixture. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to twist the wires together, the two white wires, in a clockwise motion. And then we're going to screw the wire cap onto the end to tighten them down. Screw that on clockwise as well, like that. So now both the white and the black wires are screwed on with the wire caps. Now there's going to be one leftover bare wire, and this is going to be wrapped around that green screw on the bracket right there. We'll just fold over a loop onto the wire. We'll wrap it around the green screw, and we'll just make sure that that's nice and tight on that bare wire. Okay, so now we can line up that to that and slip it up like that. Now we'll put our cap plate on there like that, and finally the cap. Here we go. Alright, so go ahead and flip your breaker on. Now we'll flip the switch and try it out. Awesome, look, it works. That is how to install a new ceiling light fixture, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching Jonny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.